Hello traders, this is Tunapan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So a very quick trade update video over here at Master the Markets Trading Floor. You can see over here that currently we are just up about 6,585 across all of these positions, okay. Some of them have been closed, some of them have been unrealized yet. So you can see 550 over here has been closed out, and our dollar Swiss another 750 has been closed out as well. Now, what are the bases for all of these trades? I mean, most of them are based on, our bottom or top being quantified and giving us a signal to either go long or when the top gets confirmed to go short. And basically, the whole basis of all of this strategy is based on open equity, which is one of the most important things that we teach all our Traders Basecamp package clients and who go on to the advanced courses as well. And basically, this point is all about how much move is left. How much move is left, okay? Whether you're an investor, whether you're a trader, this question is very important, and you cannot answer that if you do not, especially for trading, if you do not have your bottoms or your tops quantified, okay, you can't, then you don't have a scalable, sustainable, and reproducible strategy going forward. And that's what we have over here, and that's what we teach. And of course, those of you who want to start it off, I mean, this is the best time because you got time available on your hands because of this pandemic. Remember, with every crisis there's always opportunities, so I would highly encourage you all to start at least this journey. Just get a basic understanding. We've created some nice 5-part movie as well, which is the Trader Starter Pack. You can look at the link down here, and also under this video, and then you can also look at the Trade Like a Master video series if you're more intermediate, want to understand how do you build a profitable system with an edge. Okay, that's what's important. Okay, I think I'll just leave you guys with that in terms of the trade update. Just a very quick thing I just wanted to tell you guys over here. Eurodollar, we just entered it just yesterday. This is just a setup that we do know, and the elite traders that we are on, we usually will take this kind of setups towards a very big move. In fact, Cable also did that as well around here. Okay, and that's what we do in real time. That's one of the most unique factors for us, to capture these moves in real time and through our live trading room and our live trading floor. Okay, and that's how we make this kind of returns. All right, traders, I'll just leave you with that. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.